Warm and humid weather returns again on Friday. If you felt all that heat and humidity back today, it's coming again tomorrow. Temperatures back in the 80s, humidity up about where it is right now, and may have close to some record high temperatures out there. Showers, our best chances of rain the next 7 days, probably centered around early Saturday, very late Friday night after about midnight through about mid-morning or so on Saturday. But cooler weather. You know, it's not looking cold anymore, really cold for Christmas. Remember a couple days ago, it looked like there might be a big blast of cold air and it might only get up to like 50 degrees and be in the 30s in the morning. Probably not that cold anymore, but at least a good chance to dip into the 40s in the morning and maybe in the 60s in the afternoon. Highs today were pretty warm, though. We hit 87 in McAllen. No record there, but we did tie a record in Brownsville today, 86. And that's at least a second record high in Brownsville this week. 85 in Harlingen, 83 in Weslaco, not records, but temperatures probably in about this range again tomorrow, maybe even a degree or two warmer. In fact, it actually hit 90 degrees in Starr County today, so, you know, it's still a little hot out there. Dew points are up. The higher the number, the more sticky it feels, the more humid it feels, and the dew points are borderline right around very humid or muggy, with a dew point right around 70 right now, and that allows it to not cool off much at night either. Now, satellite radar, if you've been out kind of, especially from about sunset, right before sunset, high clouds started streaming in. We still have some high clouds coming over, but too high and too thin to cause any rain. Any thicker clouds are going up into West Texas, where a couple sprinkles are trying to fall there, but it looks like our rain chances not coming with those clouds. Future track does show tomorrow, late tonight and tomorrow morning. Here's midnight, a couple hours from now, and then toward morning, you might pick up some lower, thicker clouds if the winds die off in some areas, but it does look like any clouds that form will quickly turn into partly sunny skies by midday and afternoon, and therefore temperatures pretty warm like they were today. Tomorrow night should be dry in the evening, but you notice how already by around 11 p.m. or midnight, a couple showers may form ahead of a cold front. Not a really strong front, but one that will put a nice little change in the air for the weekend. That cold front should be moving through the area by about sunrise at the latest on Saturday, but you notice some showers lined up near, along, and behind that front. If we're lucky, we might get some areas around a quarter to half an inch of rain if you get a heavier shower, but most areas probably less than that. And Saturday looks kind of like a mix of some sun and clouds, but maybe trending more towards sunshine later in the day. Even Sunday will be comfortable in terms of humidity, but some sunshine will be out there to keep temperatures maybe back up around 70 degrees or so by afternoon. So our rain chances, 10% starting very late in the evening tomorrow. We're talking like 11 p.m. late, and then 40% chance of showers after that through Saturday morning, and then we're back to dry for Sunday and even for Christmas Day. So the first 1570 forecast. Tomorrow's the warmest day left, highs in the 80s. By Saturday, we could get back into the upper 60s, depending on the sunshine. The model's kind of trending toward more and more sunshine, so it might be a couple degrees warmer. By Sunday, still near 70 degrees. A weak front starts to come through, not as strong as it looked initially, but that could pick up the breeze a bit, drop temperatures more Sunday night and Monday. So we could start off in the 40s Christmas Day, but back in the upper 60s, and then the warming trend builds after Christmas. So we'll track your Christmas weather in more detail coming up. And now I'm going to nominate this guy for Sportscaster of the Year, Joel.